Imagine effortlessly channeling groundbreaking ideas, painting with vibrant new perspectives, writing stories that captivate hearts and minds. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's entirely possible when your creative energy is flowing freely. Today, we are diving into a powerful journey aligning your chakras to unlock peak creative flow. Simple, actionable practices that awaken your inner genius. Before we begin, take a moment, close your eyes, ask yourself, where does my creativity feel stuck? Now, open your eyes and drop one word in the comments that describes your current creative state. Let's begin. Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, I worked with a brilliant artist. Let's call her Maya. She had a talent, passion, but her canvas stayed blank for months. She wasn't lazy. She wasn't uninspired. She was blocked. Energetically blocked. That's when we explored her chakras. Not just woohoo ideas, but ancient energetic blueprints for well-being. We discovered her sacral chakra was stagnant. Her emotional flow was frozen. Her creative spark dimmed. Within days of activating that energy center, Maya was painting again. Bold, raw, beautiful. So let me ask you, have you ever felt like your ideas were just out of reach? Type yes in the comments if that resonates, because today we are going to shift that. Let's map your creative brilliance. There are 3 key chakras directly tied to artistic expression. First, the sacral chakra, located just below your navel. It governs emotional fluidity, sensuality, and imagination. When blocked, you may feel numb, uninspired, or creatively dry. Second, the throat chakra, center of your voice and expression. It's where your truth lives. When imbalanced, you may struggle to communicate your ideas or fear being misunderstood. Third, the third eye chakra, your seat of intuition and vision. It's the birthplace of insight, clarity, and inner knowing. A foggy third eye can lead to indecision or creative confusion. So, which of these chakras do you feel most connected to or most blocked in? Comment sacral, throat, or third eye. Let's explore them together. Let's activate your creative energy centers one by one. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably. Let's begin. Sacral chakra activation technique. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Visualize a warm orange light swirling in your lower belly. Exhale slowly. Feel the flow of water, the dance of flames. Repeat after me. I am a vessel of creative flow. So now, let's do another technique for throat chakra opening. Place your hand gently on your throat. Take a breath. Hum softly. Feel the vibration. Now, grab your journal. Write, what truth am I afraid to speak? Repeat, my voice is powerful and clear. Say that again. My voice is powerful and clear. Moving on to the third eye chakra stimulation. Gaze softly at a candle or close your eyes and tap gently between your brows. Tap, tap, tap one more time. Visualize indigo light expanding outward. Repeat, I trust my inner vision. So which practice lit something up inside you? Share your favorite moment so far in the comments. Creativity isn't a one-time spark. It's a daily flame. Here's how to keep it burning. Practice some movement rituals. Try hip circles or awaken your sacral chakra. Gentle neck rolls to release your throat chakra. Stretch, sway, dance, move with intention. The next one is environmental curation. Surround yourself with chakra aligned colors. Orange for passion, blue for truth, indigo for vision. Play music that stirs your soul. Let's also practice some mindful observation. Take 5 minutes a day to observe something deeply. A leaf, a sound, a stranger's smile. Feed your creative well with presence. Pick one ritual to try tomorrow. Comment, I commit, if you're in. You are not blocked, you are becoming. Energy alignment isn't just healing, it's activating. Your creative renaissance begins now. Here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, choose one chakra aligned practice. Do it daily. Document your journey. Share your art, your words, your breakthroughs in the comments or tag us. Let's close with a powerful affirmation. Repeat after me. I am aligned. I am inspired. I am unstoppable. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Subscribe for more chakra-based creative rituals. And don't forget to watch our next video, Creative Brilliance and How You Can Manifest It. This is chakra balancing for peak idea generation. Your genius is waiting. Let it flow.